Hello dear viewers, welcome to my another new Excel video. Today I will show you how to do data validation with Microsoft Excel. So let's get started and let me share the screen. So here you can see various information. So at the beginning you can see name. So how can we data validate? Today I will show you actually. So here click on name option. Okay, then go to the data option. Actually I have already gone to the data option and then click data validation. So here you can see setting. So setting, we don't need to any change here, but input message we need to click here and need to give some information here. So here we have to give a title that will be full name. Okay, give a full name. Then input message uh will be given actually. I can write down, write your full name. Okay, it's okay. Then I have to move on another option, that is error alert. So error alert for what? Actually, the main task of data validation, that is error alert. So we can give warning, then title will be wrong. So if the input is wrong, then of course it will show you uh, the alert actually. So we can write here error message, write your full name. If the name, if there is any mistake, then it will show you, of course, error alert. So here you can see write your full name. So I'm going to write my full name here, MD Ruben MIA. So that's it. So then let's move on another option, that is birth year. So again, like before, I have to select on data validation, then click on setting option. So here you can see any value, actually birth year. So that's why I can select whole number. Of course, then I can select select any option who is actually I want. Then I'm selecting less than. Then maximum I can keep any word date which I want actually. Then it's okay. I'm giving 2000. Then input message, what will be? Actually input message, in case of title, I can write but BIRT is birth year. Okay. So input message I can write your BIRT is birth year. Okay, that's good. Then let's move on another option, that is error alert. Error alert, among three we can choose any one. So I can choose warning for giving the alert. So write down wrong title name, then write down write your birth year 2000 or less. Okay, it's okay. Then click on okay. So here I can write my birth year 5. So what will be the result? Actually, the result is showing the birth year is wrong. Just because we gave birth year 2000, or it will be less than 2000. That's why we have to change the birth year. We can write down 1998. So then it will be accurate. So here gender, actually in that case, again we have to select data consolidation, then need to go to setting option. Of course, actually we can take list option just because it's been list, that's why. And of course we have to select from here, actually list, it's been already selected, then click on it. Okay, and then go to input message, write down gender, actually gender, then input message, of course you can write gender, of course write gender list, then okay, then error alert, okay, give warning, then if it is wrong, then it will show you the wrong alert. Then write gender, sorry, select, see, it will be select, LE, select gender, gender list. Of course, select, not right, it will be select. Okay, cause there is a list. Okay, that's good, very good. Then click on OK. Then here you can, okay, mail. Okay, that's good. Then in this option again, you have to do the same thing. Actually, value, it will be list, and source will be, of course, you have to select from here source. Okay, that's very good. Then click on OK. Then input message, write down just status, status. Then input, select status, say select marital status, status. Of course, then error alert. Then of course we can say select warning. Then title will be wrong, and error message will be select status, status list. Okay, that's very good. So here you can see the option. Then I can select single. So in this way we can easily do data validation. Actually, the main thing of data validation is to correct the data, and to actually accuracy, find out the accuracy of data. That is the main objective of data validation. So that's all for today. That's all about data validation, and in this way we can solve various problems like this. And thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. And of course, if you if you have been benefited to watch my videos, so of course you will like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much again.